Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an awesome trick to help you quickly rack up Microsoft reward points. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, my Microsoft rewards account is currently empty, but don't worry, we're about to change that. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft's rewards account on Microsoft Edge or any browser that you're using. And then next, what you want to do is add an extension, which is automate your Bing searches. Let's just search on it. And if you can find it, over here, just click on it. Once you've found it, go ahead and add it to your browser or whatever browser you're using. For me, it's Microsoft Edge, and just click on get, and then just click on add extension. Now go to your extensions and you should see automate your Bing searches listed there. Click on the extensions and set it up according to your preferences. So for me, I will be doing 30 searches and add a delay of about 5 to 10 seconds, and then just to keep it natural. And then remember, we want to avoid raising any suspicion. So now that we have everything set up, just hit start. But before you do that, just click on close tab once completed, and start activities after searches. And then you can leave it running on the background while you go about your day. Just click on start searching, and as you can see, it will automatically search for you, and you can just leave it on the background and your points will stack up. And there you have it. With a bit of automation, you can quickly accumulate Microsoft Rewards points without much effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Until next time, see you.